Yes, hello. Yes, hello. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Chinese New Year naman. So, let's learn. No, so ang discussion ko today is about inventory. Okay? Sige. Ang inventory kasi is madali lang naman siya. Okay? And lalabas siya, of course, no, lagi yang kasama sa financial accounting and reporting and auditing problems. Okay? So meaning you are hitting two birds in one stone. Okay, so this is very important and I really want you to master this topic. Okay, so madali lang. Okay, so ang kailangan mo lang kunin dito is yung concepts. Okay, but before that, okay, dun sa mga of course sa undergrad na mga students, for sure, no, ganun din. Tinatakal nyo na to sa financial accounting and reporting. So, hopefully, kayang-kaya mo din. Okay, madali lang din siya. And I think konting aral lang, okay? Get the concepts and then do some practice. Okay, so pag nagawa mo yung practice, kayang-kaya mo na yan. Madali na lang yan. Okay? So ngayon, what I'm going to do is, of course, I will go through with the discussion. But before that, please can you comment CPA Dreams? Okay, so I will know that my sounds and you can hear me clearly and yeah. So then I can start, no? Po ba tayo? Please comment CPA Dreams and you can share this video, okay, this live session. Okay, medyo may background ako ng sounds ng birds, okay, kasi yung kids ko, they have birds, no? Nag-aalaga sila ng birds, okay? So hopefully everything will be okay. Okay. So everything is good, right? Okay. Now, ulitin ko lang din, saan makukuha yung, okay, ulitin ko lang po, saan makukuha yung materials, okay, ng PowerPoint and yung multiple choice questions. If you are enrolled in the CPALE Testbanks and Handouts, so dito po siya makukuha. Okay? Meron ako nilagay na FAR session. Pumunta ka sa cash. Okay, sa FAR na course po. Okay, so puntahan mo itong FAR, lahat ng topics nandyan na. Lahat ng ating session na live will be here, cash, accounts receivable. Okay, so nandyan po, pwede nyong i-download yung PowerPoint and then yung MCQs, multiple choice questions natin. Hindi ko pa nilagay ang answer key. Okay, wala pa yung answer key. So, makakapag-practice ka, then I will upload answer key. Inventory, dito naman papasok yung PowerPoint na gagamitin ko ngayon. I will upload it here. And then meron tayong multiple choice questions for inventory. Okay? Now, please comment again kung nakikita mo ba ako, naririnig mo ako, okay na ba yung sound ko? Kasi sayang naman yung ginagawa kong FB Live session kung hindi talaga magiging maayos. Okay? Okay, so inventory. Okay. Ang agenda natin, measurement, inventory cost flow, and then inventory valuation. Okay. Like what I have said, pag binigay ang inventory sa financial accounting and reporting and auditing problems, bonus na lang siya, mga kapatid. Kasi madali lang yung topic na to. Now, what is inventory? Okay, so inventories are assets held for sale in the ordinary course of business and in the process of production and conversion of materials or supplies to be consumed in the production process and then converted it to finished goods. Anong ibig sabihin? Yan lang tatlo na yan ang tatandaan mo. Okay, so screenshot, okay, ibig sabihin ng ordinary course of business, no? Ito yung meron kang inventory or produkto na ibebenta. So, you are in a trading business. Okay? So, ibig sabihin din, ito yung possible na nagbabuy and sell. Okay? Kumukuha ka sa wholesaler, then you are the retailer. Okay? Then, nagpapatong ka. Okay? Ito yung usually nakikita mo rin sa mga shops and physical stores. And then ito is nangyayari na rin sa online. Okay? So yung e-commerce natin like Shopee, Lazada, no, yan yon. Now, in the process of production naman, dito na papasok yung manufacturing. Ibig sabihin, nagmamanufacture ka ng products, no? Bumibili ka ng mga materials and supplies na gagamitin mo sa production. And then, ipoprovide mo yan, okay, as finished goods. And then after that, meron ka ng finished goods, inventory, then binenta mo, tatawaging sale, and then yung pinaka-inventory mo is magiging cost of goods sold. Okay? Now, ito yung classes of inventories from the definition. So yung trading, buy and sell. Yung manufacturing naman, buys goods, altered and converted into another form before they are made available for sale. Okay? So ibig sabihin, dumaan ang manufacturing process. Okay? Bumili ka ng materials and then you converted it. Once yung item na binili mo is nagkaroon ng alteration, so considered parang part ka na rin ng manufacturing. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng finished goods. Okay? And then, yan na yun. Pwede mo na siyang ibenta. So, usually, yung mga wholesaler is kalimitan, mga manufacturer din yan. And then, ikaw naman, ang retailer, you sell it. So, nasa trading business ka. Okay, so if you are a student, actually, pwede mo yung gawin ngayon. Dahil may pandemic, pwede kang mag-create ng sarili mong store sa Lazada, sa Shopee, then gawa ka ng FB page, and then mag-live selling ka. So that is very popular today. Okay, so yan yun, may mga inventory sila. Gumagamit pa sila ng mga mannequin, no? Gumagamit sila, nagmo-model-model, pagkatapos nagbebenta. Okay, now, pag nag-FB live, wag din na maayos din dapat ang suot. Kasi meron ako mga nakikita nagbebenta ngayon ng mga clothes. Labas na ang buong kaluluwa habang nagla-live selling. So wag naman ganon. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa goods includable in the inventory. So, ang pag-uusapan dito is yung ownership or the passing of title. Ibig sabihin, yung passing of title, which means sino ba ang nagmamay-ari? Okay? Yung all goods ba to which the entity has title shall be included in the inventory regardless of location. So, ang kailangan mong tandaan dito, walang pakialam kung nasa saan ang goods. Regardless of location lagi. Basta ang kailangan mong matandaan, sino ang nagmamay-ari? Sino ang rightful owner? Papaano pinasa ang title? Okay? Now, punta tayo sa legal test. Paano mong malalaman na sino na yung owner? Okay? So, ang tanong lagi is the entity the owner of the goods to be inventoried? Okay? If the answer is affirmative or yes, then the goods shall be included in the inventory. If the answer is negative, then goods shall be excluded from the inventory. Dito papasok yung FOB destination and FOB shipping point. Okay, pag sinabing FOB destination, ibig sabihin upon receipt of goods by the buyer. Pag sinabing ganon, ibig sabihin pagka in transit yan, seller is the owner pa rin. Okay? And seller, siya yung legally responsible sa freight charges and other expenses up to the point of destination. Okay? Sa shipping point naman, upon shipment of the goods, pag nakaalis na sa warehouse, and therefore the goods are in transit, property na yan ni buyer. Okay? So si seller, wala nang responsibility dyan. Ang ownership passed to the buyer already. So the buyer is legally responsible for freight charges and other expenses from the point of shipment to the point of destination. Okay? Now, let's move on. So, eto yan lang yung importanteng kailangan mong tatandaan. FOB destination and FOB shipping point. Ano yung difference? Okay? Now, consigned goods. Ito ang ganda-ganda na explanation ko kanina. Consigned goods shall be included in the consignor's inventory and excluded from the consignee's inventory. Ito nangyayari talaga siya ngayon. Okay? Lalo na sa retail industry. Ibig sabihin, or sa mga supermarkets. Ibig sabihin, magdadala ng items si supplier. no? At ibebenta naman ng mga supermarkets. Yun is, hindi pa nila babayaran din. Ang tawag din is consignment kasi hinihintay pa na mabenta yung inventory. Okay? So usually yan na yung agreement ngayon. Para less ang loss ni consignee. Okay? Kung ano lang yung mabenta, yun lang ang magiging sales niya. Ibig sabihin, ang inventory is part pa rin ni consignor. Okay? So when consigned goods are sold by the consignee, ang nangyayari, i-report ni consignee kay consignor, no? And sasama na niya yung remittance, no, ng amount ng sales, ililes na yung commission and other expenses na chargeable to the consignor. Again, wag malito. Si consignor ang nagmamay-ari ng goods. Si consignee is taga-benta lang. So, hindi siya part ng consignee's inventory. Okay? Unless otherwise stated na hindi consignment ang nangyari, kundi talagang binili niya. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa cost of inventories. Ano ba ang kasama sa mga cost? Okay, dito papasok yung purchase cost, conversion cost, and other inventoriable costs. Pag sinabing purchase cost, dito papasok yung purchase price, freight, handling charges, no, broker's commission fees. Yan yon. Conversion cost, yan yung sinabi natin kanina, which is the manufacturing cost. Yung other inventoriable cost, kasi minsan may mga nai-incurred pa rin na gastos para dalhin sa present location or good condition ang inventory item. So, dapat yan ay pasok as cost pa rin ni inventory. Okay? Now, conversion cost. Direct labor, indirect variable, and fixed production overhead costs. Variable cost and fixed production overhead. Yan ay kasama. Okay? Dapat ito is mamaster mo sa management advisory services or management consultancy. Okay? Dapat magaling ka dito kasi magiging part yan ng MAS and then part din yan ng advanced accounting. Kaya pag nagtuturo ako, we are hitting two birds in one stone. Ano ibig sabihin? Di ba? Ang inventory, part ng financial accounting and reporting. Hindi lang naman sa farm mo gagamitin. Magagamit mo rin siya sa auditing problems, yung lecture ko ngayon. Kaya ang binibigay ko sa iyo, concepts. Okay? Hindi memorization. Hindi yung parang nagbabasa ka lang. So what I want you to really grasp is the concepts. Kaya nga nagbibigay ako ng mga examples in real life. Okay? So yan yung advantages ng nag-a-attend ng mga FB Live sessions and live webinars. Kasi sometimes libre na nga lang, hindi pa tayo uma-attend. Okay? Now, other costs. Okay? Other inventoriable costs. Ibig sabihin, meron talagang mga ginagastos pa. Nakasama rin yung amortization of capitalizable development costs, borrowing costs, kasama yan as part of your inventoriable costs. Okay, later magbibigay tayo ng sample multiple choice questions. Okay? Now, excluded from inventory costs. Ano yung mga hindi kasama? Okay, paki-screenshot kasi lagi itong isinasama sa mga problems pampagulo lang. Hindi kasama ang abnormal waste. Okay, from the word itself, abnormal. So, hindi siya frequent. Storage or warehousing costs unless necessary for next stage of production. Hindi rin kasamang administrative overheads not associated with production. Lahat ng selling costs, okay, yung mga commissions ng seller, hindi rin siya kasama. Yung financing charges, interest expense, hindi rin yang kasama. Okay? Now, let's move on. So, meron na tayong problem. What I want you to do is screenshot every problem para ma-answeran mo. Okay? And paano ba tayo nag-a-answer ng problem? Okay, let me stop sharing. No? Okay. So it's me. Okay, so okay ba narinig nyo? Naririnig nyo na? So, please comment yes. Okay? Please share this FB Live session. Okay ba, mga kapatid? Okay? Okay ba tayo? Now, sa pag-a-answer ng problem, kasi magbibigay na tayo ng sample problem. Okay? So, the way you do it is, you look at the question. Okay? So, punta ka muna sa question, then you look at the data. Okay? So, punta tayo, balik tayo doon. Okay? Now, let me just share again yung screen natin. Okay, salamat. Okay, let me share again my screen. Okay. Anong approach sa problem, no? So, ang approach natin sa problem is, tingnan natin yung question. What amount should be reported as inventory at year-end? So, tinatanong, magkano ang inventory mo? So, then, punta ka sa data. Sabi dito, CPA Dreams Company took a physical inventory at the end of the year and determined that 2,600,000 of goods were on hand. In addition, entity determined that 200,000 of goods purchased in transit ship FOB shipping point actually received 2 days after the physical count, and the entity had 300,000 of goods out on consignment. So, kasama na kagad yung goods on hand, which is 2,600,000. Sinabi dito na meron 200,000 of goods purchased in transit. Eh, ang kasunduan, FOB shipping point, so kahit hindi mo pa siya nare-receive, ikaw na ang nagmamay-ari, the buyer. So, kasama dapat siya, yung 200,000. So, at the end of the year, okay, probably nagkaroon ng physical counting, no? Sinabi dito merong 300,000 of goods out on consignment. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw ang consignor. Correct? So, kung ikaw ang consignor, kasama ba yan o hindi? Kasama yan, 300,000. So, now, screenshot, and then I would like to ask you, what amount should be reported as inventory at year-end? Okay, so comment your answer. So, meron tayong choices. What amount should be reported as inventory at year-end? 2,600,000, 2,800,000, 2,900,000, or 3,100,000. Okay? So, what is the amount? Comment your answer, please. Okay, let me just check. Okay? So, comment your answer, mga kapatid. Anong sagot natin? Okay, so, okay ba tayo? Okay, sorry, hindi nyo nakita yung problem natin. O, sige. Screenshot ulit. Okay, so, ang question is, what amount should be reported as inventory at year-end? Okay? So, 2,600,000 of goods were on hand. And then, ang entity is nag-determine meron pang 200,000 of goods purchased. Okay? And then FOB shipping point actually received 2 days after the physical count. So then you have 300,000 of goods out on consignment. So A, 2,600,000, B, 2,800,000, C, 2,900,000, D, 3,100,000. Okay. Dun sa mga makaka-answer, okay, kung lahat tama yung maging sagot mo, magbibigay ako ng load. O, sige, para lahat sumagot. Okay, magpapasa load ako pagka nasagutan mo lahat ng multiple choice questions ko na ibibigay ngayong araw na to. So, yung makaka-perfect, merong 300 pesos load. Okay? Now, the answer is D. Okay? So, next problem tayo, mga kapatid. Okay? Punta tayo sa next problem. Okay? So, ang tanong dito is, what is the total correct amount of inventory? Okay? So, what I want you to do is, okay, wait. So, kailangan mag-screenshot. Okay? So, i-screenshot mo muna. Okay, mag-screenshot muna. Okay, so balikan natin. Ito na siya. Okay? So, CPA Dreams Company included the following items under inventory. You have materials, 1.4 million. Advanced materials ordered, 200,000. Goods in process, 650. Unexpired insurance, 60. Advertising catalogs and shipping cartons, 150. Finished goods in factory, 2 million. Finished goods in entity-owned retail store, 750,000. Finished goods in hands of consignees, 40% profit on sales, 400,000. Finished goods in transit to customers, ship FOB destination, 250. Finished goods out on approval cost, 100. Unsaleable finished goods, 50. Office supplies, 40. Materials in transit, FOB shipping point, 330. Goods held on consignment at sales price, cost 150. So, now, ano ang choices natin? Okay? Wait muna. O, hindi ko na ibigay ang choices. I-discuss na natin para makita mo, para meron kang maisagot pag binigay ko yung choices. Now, ano yung mga included? Yung materials, of course, that is included. The 1,400,000. Advance for materials ordered. O, wala pang passing of title, so that is excluded. Okay? Goods in process. So, ibig sabihin, manufacturing. Nasa production na to. So, additional ka. Unexpired insurance on inventory. So, hindi kasama to. Tanggalin mo yan. Okay? Advertising catalog. So, advertising expense. Hindi rin yan kasama. Finished goods in factory. Of course, kasama yan. Finished goods in entity-owned retail store. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong finished goods na nandoon sa retail store natin. Manufacturing na, pagkatapos meron pa siyang retailing. So, 750 included yan. Finished goods in hands of consignees. Okay, nasa consignees to. So, ibig sabihin, tayo ang consignor. So, 400,000. Then, dito naman, meron tayong FOB destination. Ipapadala sa customer mo. So, ibig sabihin, part pa rin yan ng inventory natin. Finished goods out on approval cost. Okay? Nasa approval pa lang. Okay? For approval. So, walang passing of title, kasama yan sa inventory natin. Unsaleable finished goods. Okay? Hindi na siya kasama kasi from the word itself na pampagulo, unsaleable. Okay, office supplies, that is expense, 40,000. Materials in transit, FOB shipping point, in-exclude ang freight, shipping point yan. So, kailangan isama mo din yan. Now, goods held on consignment at sales price cost, 150. Ang amount na nalagay dito is 200,000. So, ibig sabihin, ito is pinabebenta lang. So, hindi siya kasama. Now, ano yung choices natin? What is the correct amount of inventory? 5,375,000, 5,500,000, 5,540,000, 5,250,000. So what is the correct amount? Okay, binigay ko na. Meron na tayong tips. So then the answer is, please comment your answer. Okay? Kung hindi mo alam ang answer, i-comment mo na lang CPA Dreams. Okay? Again, pag titingnan ko later kung sino ang naka-perfect, I will give a GCash load. Okay? Load na lang siguro. Load. Pasa load of 300 pesos. Okay? What is the answer? The answer is B. Okay? That is 5,500,000. Ito yung calculations niya. Okay? Yung mga minention ko kanina nakasama. And then ito is at profit on cost. So, ibig sabihin, yung 750, i-divide mo sa 150% para makuha mo yung cost of inventory, which is 500,000. Doon naman sa finished goods in hands of consignees, yung ating binigay sa consignor, ang naka-record is 240. So, 400. So, kailangan i-divide mo by 60% para makuha mo ang true cost of inventory, which is 240,000. Yung finished goods in transit to customers, ship, FOB, destination at cost, kasama pa rin yan. Tayo pa rin ang may-ari niyan. Yung out on approval, tayo din. Sa problem, sinabi dito na excluding yung freight, FOB shipping point yan, so kailangan mong isama yan. So, ang total correct amount of inventory mo is 5,500,000. Okay? So, yun yung answer. So, I hope nakuha mo siya. So, madali lang. Okay? So, now, isa pa ulit. Okay? Sige. Okay, screenshot. Okay, screenshot mo and try to answer, no? Okay? So, mag-out muna ulit ako. I want you to screenshot this. Okay? And then, I will give you the answer. Okay, so balikan na natin mga kapatid. May answer na ba tayo? So, i-comment mo lang. Okay? So, I'll go through. Bigyan ulit kita ng tips. Okay, so cost of purchase based on vendor's invoice. Yes, that is to be added. Trade discounts on purchases already deducted from vendor's invoices. Okay, so 500,000. Import duties, 400,000. Okay, freight and insurance on purchases, 1 million kasama. Other handling costs relating to imports, kasama yan. Salaries of accounting department, so payroll yan, hindi yan kasama. Brokerage commission paid to agents for arranging imports. Ito yung other cost in bringing the items to its present condition and location. So kasama yan. Sales commission, selling expenses yan. After sales warranty expense, hindi sila kasama. Okay, now, what is the total cost of purchases? Okay, so ano yung mga choices mo? A, 5,700,000. B, 6,100,000. C, 6,700,000. D, 6,500,000. O, di ba? Madali lang ang inventory. Kung nakinig ka sa discussion ko, kung naintindihan mo yung PowerPoint presentation na ginawa ko. Okay, so ang dali-dali. So, ibig sabihin, pag binigay ang inventory sa financial accounting and reporting and auditing problems, manina lang sa'yo. Okay? So, what is your answer? Okay? Again, yung PowerPoint is makikita po natin yan dun sa course na Financial Accounting and Reporting. Okay? Dun sa mga nag-grab ng CPALE Handouts and Testbanks, you have the PowerPoint, and I will give also the multiple choice questions where you can practice. Okay? And dun sa mga nag-a-answer ng daily multiple choice questions natin, no, maraming salamat. At the moment, I could not do the tallying, so hindi ko nakikita kung sino ang mga winners. But don't worry, we'll arrange that later. So the answer is C. Okay, so C ang answer, which is 6,700,000. Okay, paano natin na-calculate? Ito yon. So, cost of purchases based on vendor's invoice, 5 million. Okay, yung trade discounts, no, na 500,000, hindi yung kasama. Nagkamali lang dun sa PowerPoint kasi kasama na siya dito. Okay, import duties, 400,000. Freight and insurance on purchases, 1 million. Other handling costs relating to imports, 100. Brokerage commission paid to agents, 200,000. So then the total cost of purchase is 6,700,000. Okay? So I hope maraming nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Okay? Now, let's move on. Now, discussion ulit tayo. Yung measurement kasi na ginagamit sa inventory is yung lower of cost and net realizable value. Okay? Dito, ang kailangan mo ring maintindihan, what costs are included and what cost formulas are permitted. And then how net realizable value is determined. Okay? Magbigay ako ng example dito at the end. Okay? Then, actually, punta tayo dun sa inventory valuation. Okay? Yung inventory valuation, no, lagi rin yung kasama. Okay? Pero kailangan mong maintindihan dito ano yung cost formulas na kailangan mong gamitin. Okay? Kasi mag-a-assign ka ng cost ng ending inventory na ipipresent mo sa balance sheet. Okay? And then, ano yung corresponding actual physical flow of goods and services mo? And ano yung permitted na inventory valuation natin? A specific identification, first in, first out, and then weighted average. Yung standard does not permit anymore the use of LIFO method. Okay? Kasi yung LIFO method, ginagamit yan for taxation scheme actually. No? Now, let's move on. A specific identification. Ito yung you need to determine simply by multiplying yung units on hand by their actual unit cost. Okay? So, applicable to a specific project, no? And, of course, hindi siya interchangeable. Not ordinarily interchangeable. So, ito is ginagamit sa mga project. Okay? Project costing. For goods and services produced and segregated for a specific projects. Now, so, first in, first out, and weighted average. Okay, sa first in, first out, ito yung cost of latest purchase, which ends up in cost of ending inventory. And then yung cost of earliest purchases are in cost of goods sold. Kaya nga, di ba, laging tinatanong, yung inflation would result to what? Of course, to highest net income. Kasi yung ending inventory mo is magiging mataas. Okay? Pagka ganon, mataas, bababa ang cost of goods sold mo. Okay? Dito is, tatandaan mo rin na yung FIFO periodic and FIFO perpetual, they are same inventory ending. Okay? So, pareho lang yan. Kasi minsan tinatanong, FIFO periodic, FIFO perpetual, same lang din ang makukuha mo dyang inventory cost. Okay? Sa weighted average, no? Sa weighted average kasi, ginagamit to sa periodic. And then, yung moving weighted average, ginagamit siya sa perpetual. Now, weighted average is, ito yung weighted average cost of all goods available for sale, which ends up in both ending inventory and cost of goods sold. Okay? So, alam naman natin yan. Marami tayong pinagagamitan ng weighted average calculation. Okay? So, hindi ako magdidig down deeper, but I will give you a problem to solve. Okay? Now, sorry. Dito tayo sa problem solving. So, screenshot, okay? Para makita mo and masagutan mo. Again, mamaya i-double check ko kung sino ang naka-100 dyan, no? Okay? Then, answer the question. Okay? So, what is the cost of the inventory on January 31 under the FIFO method? Okay, so let me share it with you. I will give you 1 minute again. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so anong choices natin? Okay, nandiyan na yung answer. Okay, so what is the cost of inventory on January 31 under the FIFO method? Of course, that is 5,850. Okay, so how did you arrive with that? Ito siya. Okay, so ang units mo is 150,000 multiplied by 23, 3,450,000. And then 100,000 multiplied by 24, 2,400,000. So ang total FIFO cost mo is 5,850,000. Next. Okay, so another one. So if the FIFO cost flow method is used, what is the cost of inventory on April 30? Okay, binigay yung following information. So FIFO ulit tayo. So, merong CPALE Handouts product ang CPA Dreams and then use perpetual system. Okay, so beginning 8,000, at 70 unit cost, 560. Then nag-purchase ng 3,000 at 70.50 to 11,500, and then sale ng 10,000. And then purchase 11,000, 73.5, then 808,500. Now, okay, meron kang sale na 7,000 and then sales return of 300. Okay? So, magkano ang cost ng inventory mo at April 30? Okay, so ang gagawin mo lang dyan, madali lang naman. Lahat ng mga purchase, okay, calculate mo, and then lahat ng sale, kailangan mong ibawas, no, pati yung return. So, ano yung kalalabasan natin dyan? Okay, let's see. Okay, so screenshot again. Okay, bigyan kita ng 1 minute. Okay, kasi actually, pagka ganito yung mga problem, pwede yan M plus, M minus sa calculator mo na basic. Okay? Pagkatapos pag ganito, dapat mabilis ka. Okay? Kasi ganyan lang naman. Madali lang naman talaga sa financial accounting. And usually kasi, meron kang theory of accounts. Yung theory of accounts mo is 35 question yun. And then, the other 35 questions will be, of course, calculations. Pero nung nag-take ako, usually marami yata yung theories during that time. Pero kailangan meron kang knowledge in all of it. Okay? So again, calculate, mga kapatid. Do the screenshot again. Okay, nakita na yata yung answer. Okay, the answer is A. Okay, so ang answer is A. How did I arrive with answer A? Okay, so ito lang yan. So ito yung, sorry. So answer is A, 330, 750. Okay, yung madali lang yan. So, i-calculate mo lang kung paano yung FIFO. So, same lang din yan nung last problem natin. Okay? So, again, another one. Okay? Now, ang answer calculations, no? I-share ko later. Okay? Nandito rin yun sa PowerPoint, actually. So, another question here. FIFO periodic inventory. Okay? So, 20,000, 36, purchase 30, 37.2. Ito madali lang. What is the ending inventory on August 31? Okay? Ending inventory as of August 31. Okay? So, madali lang ulit to. So, simpleng-simple lang. Actually. So, yung iba is, merong strategy kung paano nila i-calculate yan. Okay? So, it will not take a lot of time. So, 1 minute only. So, ito yung choices. What is the ending inventory as of August 31? 1,500,800, 1,501,600, 1,522,880, and 1,529,600. O, ibalik ko. So, ang dali lang yan. Okay? Actually, kahit hindi ko ipakita yung calculations, you can answer it. Okay? So, madali lang yung binigay kong mga problems. Okay? So, dapat, after this session, so what you need to do is grab your practice sets. Okay? Yung multiple choice questions and comprehensive problems, pwede kang magpunta sa auditing prob. From the auditing prob, no, pupunta ka sa auditing problem. So, ang gagawin mo ngayon, ipapractice mo yung inventory knowledge mo. So, doon ka dapat sa comprehensive. Okay? Try to answer those comprehensive questions sa inventory. Kasi ang binigay ko sa'yo is concepts. Maraming mas pampagulo pagka nasa auditing problem ka na. So, yung comprehensive part. Okay? So, dun sa mga merong test bank and handouts, nandun yon sa courses, auditing problem. So, you just go there, you can get the inventory practice sets. Okay? Usually, yung ginawa ko sa ating test banks and handouts, yung style ng Board of Accountancy ng mga problems. So, hopefully talaga, when you take it, madali na lang siya. Sometimes, procedural din. So, dapat alam mo yung procedure kung paano mag-calculate. No? So, hopefully talaga makapasa ka. Okay? Lalo na yung mga mag-take in October, matagal pa. So, please start studying now. Okay? So, what is the answer? Answer is dog. 1,529,600. Okay? Now, eto siya. Paano kinalculate? Okay, nandito na, beginning inventory, 20,000. Yung purchases mo, 94,000. Total units available, 114. And then yung sales mo, 36 plus 38, less equals 74,000. Then ang ending inventory units is 40,000. And then, eto lang yan. So, 24,000 multiplied by 38 is 912,000. From August 39, 16,000 multiplied by 38.6617,600. So, ang total cost of inventory mo is 1,529,600. Okay? Ang tanong pala is total cost of inventory. Okay? Which is 1,529,600. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa weighted valuation. Okay? Dito tayo sa weighted valuation. CPA Dreams Company provided the following inventory card, okay, during February. Okay, so madali lang din, weighted average method. Ang tanong is, what is the cost of inventory on February 28? Okay, so January 10, meron kang price, purchase is 20,000 units at 100, and then ang nagamit mo is 10,000. And then sa February 8, meron kang 30,000 units purchase. No, ginamit mo sa 28 is 11,000. Nag-return ka sa factory ng 1,000. So using the weighted average method, what is the cost of inventory on February 28? Okay, so madali lang to. I'll give you 1 minute ulit to answer. Okay. Okay, so ang answer, okay, comment, of course, alam na natin, nakita na natin. Answer is A. Okay? So, ito yung calculation niya, units, 20,100, 2 million. February 8, 30,000 units, 110, 3,300,000. So, then, 5,300,000 divide by 50,000 units, 106. Ang cost of inventory, which is 30,000 multiplied by 106, that is 3,180,000. Okay, so yun yon. Madali lang. So, alam mo na yan. Okay, next. So, another one. Okay. So, what is the amount of inventory should be reported on January 31? So, same lang din yung process. Okay, but this one is moving average. Okay, so moving naman siya. Okay, so tingnan niya natin kung naaalala niyo pa kung paano mag-compute naman kung moving average yung method na gagamitin. Kanina is yung normal weighted average, now is the moving average method. So I will give you again, okay, 1 minute, okay, to calculate. Okay. So, madali lang. Answer is, anong answer natin? Okay, of course, the answer is, boy, 1,850,000. Okay, so paano kinalculate? Ito lang yan. So, 40,000 multiplied by 50, 2 million. Nabenta, 35,000. Multiplied by 50, 1,750,000. So, 250 na lang ang balance mo. Then, meron kang 20,000 units on January 28. So, multiply by 80, the unit cost. So, 1,600,000. Ang balance mo na is 25,000 by 74, then 1,850,000. So, letter B. Okay? Now, bago ako magpatuloy dito, I want to know, are you still there? Andyan pa ba tayo? Okay, andyan pa ba kayo? Okay, medyo mahaba yung ating FB Live session. I hope you are still here and you are enjoying this. Okay, kasi Kong Hei Pa Choy, kasi Chinese New Year. Okay, I just want to bring good vibes and have a short discussion about inventory. So I hope you are learning. No? And if you haven't done so, please click like, no, okay, or share this video kasi marami tayong matutulungan. Okay, minsan may mga glitches, no, yung ating technology would not work well, but at the end of the day, what is important is you are learning. Okay, so nandyan pa ba kayo? Okay, nandyan pa kayo. Salamat for staying with me. Okay, sa mga followers, no. Maraming salamat for sharing. Okay, that's means a lot. Okay, it meant a lot to me. Okay, now moving on tayo. So last part na lang yung lower of cost and net realizable value, and then we'll end this session. Okay, so punta na tayo dun sa Lower of cost and net realizable value. So, yung inventory should be reported at lower of cost and net realizable value. Bakit? Kasi if they are not reported at more than the future cash flows into the company from their sale. Kasi usually naman ang inventory mo is, no, mas mababa talaga siya, no, na nabibenta, lalo na kung tumatagal yan. No? So, kailangan, ang presentation mo is net realizable value. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ano ba yung net realizable value? Ito yung estimated selling price in the ordinary course of business less the estimated cost of completion and the estimated cost to make the sale. Okay? So, pakitandaan yan. Pakilagay sa puso at isipan na yung estimated selling price in the ordinary course of business less the estimated cost of completion and less the estimated cost to make the sale. O paano ba yan pag gumawa tayo ng problem? Okay, ganito yan. Sample, yung cost mo is 80, ang selling price mo is 84. Pagkatapos ang cost to complete is 5, then merong binanggit na cost to sell is 10% of selling price. So ano yung net realizable value mo? Yung selling price mo na 84, ililess mo yung 5, and then yung 10% ng selling price na cost to sell is 8.4. Okay, so 84 less 5 less 8.4 is 70.60. Okay? Ano ang mas mataas o mas mababa? Mas mataas ang net realizable, mas mataas ang cost mo na 80, mas mababa ang net realizable na 70.60. So, ang lower of cost and net realizable value mo is yung 70.60. Okay? So, kailangan alam mo ang lower sa cost and sa net realizable value. Again, so, tandaan natin itong part na to. The estimated selling price in the ordinary course of business less the estimated cost of completion and estimated cost to make the sale. Okay? So, yan yon. Now, write-downs. Okay? So, I will not go dig deeper with this. Okay? So, you can just read this through your theory of accounts. Then, expense recognition. No? Yung carrying amount of inventory sold is expense is the same period as the related revenue. Ito yung sa inventory write-down and inventory adjustments. Nire-recognize siya as expense. No? Now, kailangan i-disclose ang accounting policies applied, ano yung inventory valuation na ginamit, papaano yung nagkaroon ng physical count ba, ano yung remaining sa balance sheet or statement of financial position, ano yung inventory cost mo na na-recognize in profit or loss or your cost of goods sold mo. Okay? So, yan yung disclosure na kailangan mong gawin. Sa balance sheet, okay, na-mention ko na ano yung mga carrying amount in each category. No? Yung pinaka-disclosure na gagawin mo. So, yung work in process materials, usually merong calculations na pinapakita to arrive at the ending inventory balance and to arrive at your cost of goods sold. Okay? Any inventory na ginamit ba for pledge ng liabilities. So, kailangan mo rin niyang i-disclose. Okay? Sa income statement, okay, of course, yung cost of goods sold mo, kung paano kinalculate. So, alam na natin yan. So, that's it. I think, yun yon. Okay? So, I hope you learned. Okay? So, sana natuto kayo. And thank you so much kasi I really want to, how can I say it? Have a good time today and bring kahit na yun yung day off ko actually. Today, I don't have work. Okay? And those as well in the Philippines. So, God bless you all. I hope you enjoy this session. So, this session will be available only until tomorrow. And then after that, I need to put it down. Kasi hindi maganda yung first part. So, I really need to take it out. Okay? So, yun lang. So, please do share it with your friends habang available pa siya. Okay? So thank you so much. Thank you so much and may God bless you this weekend.